In today's video, I'm going to teach you Constant Contact versus GetResponse. We're going to walk through the main differences between these two email marketing platforms so you can decide which one fits your needs best, whether you're just starting out or looking to seriously scale your marketing. Let's begin with ease of use. Constant Contact is generally much easier to get started with. Its interface is straightforward, and most features are laid out in a very beginner-friendly way. If you've never used email marketing software before, you'll likely find it more intuitive, with a gentler learning curve. GetResponse, on the other hand, takes a bit more time to learn. It offers more depth and complexity, which is powerful once you understand it, but means you should expect to spend some time exploring and getting familiar with where everything lives. Next, email marketing itself. Both tools are strong here. They both let you design emails, manage your list, and send campaigns. Constant Contact keeps things simple and streamlined, which is ideal if you just want to create good-looking emails and send them without too much configuration. GetResponse gives you more control. You'll find more advanced options for segmenting your audience, customizing campaigns, and fine-tuning how your emails are delivered and triggered. Automation is where the gap becomes more obvious. Constant Contact offers basic automation, such as simple autoresponders or welcome sequences. This is enough if you just want a few automated follow-ups. GetResponse, however, shines in this area. It provides advanced workflows where you can build complex automation based on user behavior, tags, and conditions. This can make a big difference if you want to nurture leads, run sophisticated campaigns, or personalize your marketing at scale. When it comes to landing pages, Constant Contact lets you build simple pages that do the job and integrate with your email list. GetResponse goes further with more flexibility in design and optimization, giving you more control over layout, testing, and conversion-focused elements. Only GetResponse offers built-in funnels, allowing you to create complete marketing journeys from opt-in to follow-up in one place. It also includes webinar functionality, which Constant Contact does not have, making it a good option if webinars are part of your strategy. For pricing, Constant Contact keeps things simpler, but GetResponse offers more value in terms of features, especially considering that it also provides a free plan, while Constant Contact does not. In summary, Constant Contact is best if you want something easy and simple, especially as a beginner. GetResponse is better if you need a powerful, scalable platform focused on growth and more advanced marketing.